Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to back up your important data on Google Drive using your mobile device. Backup is simply creating a copy of your data so you don't lose it if something happens to your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. Then scroll down and select Settings. After that, find and tap on Backup and Reset. Here, you will see details of what can be backed up, such as apps, photos and videos, SMS, call history, device settings, and Google account data. Finally, click on Backup Now to start the backup process. Wait for a few moments while your data is being backed up securely to Google Drive. That's all for today's tutorial on backing up your mobile data to Google Drive. Make sure to back up regularly to keep your information safe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.